Introducing WizyVision's daily machine inspection application designed to revolutionize machine maintenance in manufacturing. With WizyVision, inspectors can perform thorough checks on machines, ensuring optimal performance, early issue detection, and adherence to quality control standards. Inspectors start by scanning the machine's serial ID, ensuring accurate identification. They can easily select the machine type from the predefined options, saving time and reducing errors. The application provides a comprehensive checklist for each machine component, including cooling systems, optics and mirrors, vacuum systems, and more. Inspectors can perform visual inspections, take photos of issues or anomalies, and add remarks for detailed documentation. Each inspection is recorded with the inspection date and the inspector's digital signature, ensuring accountability and traceability. The data captured during inspections is synchronized in real time, providing valuable insights to operation managers and quality control managers. Operation managers can access a centralized dashboard to review the inspection data, track performance, and make data-driven decisions. Quality control managers can analyze the data to identify trends, improve processes, and ensure compliance with quality standards. With WizyVision's daily machine inspection application, manufacturing companies can streamline their machine maintenance processes, reduce downtime, enhance data accuracy, and achieve significant cost savings.